hangman game again today. So let me see first. I will share my screen. So I just need to open it here. I think this is it. I hope it's it. Let me see. Nope. Okay, try it again. There it is. Okay, so here. All right. So last week we started to play Hangman. So you had to guess the words by using or guessing the right letter. So to play it today, I thought I would give you some tips first. So when we play Hangman, it is very helpful if you first try to guess vowels, okay? Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Because all English words always have vowels, okay? So it makes sense to ask for these letters first. Then, when you are done guessing the vowels, you can try the other letters. We don't have a lot of K's, Q's, V, W, and Z's, okay, in English, so those are very seldom. So try using other letters first. And then remember, we are looking for words that you know, okay? So nothing new. It's all words that you have already heard or that you have already read before. And then don't be afraid, it's just a game, okay? So I hope that's clear. I will finish here my presentation. So, okay, then we can start with the game. No questions? Okay. So last time you guessed tidal and relaxing. And now the new question for today is, a type of books is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters. So we are looking for a type of books. What is that called? For example, cookbooks or travel books. So it's number 3 here on the board. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. Maybe Barry, do you want to try the first letter, to guess the first letter?
E.
Okay, E. Yes, there is an E. 1 E, yeah. Okay. All right. Wait, let me see. Can you see it? Okay, so let's see. Maybe Bruce.
I.
An I. No, no I. In this one. Okay, so. Okay, then Ryan, the next letter.
A.
An A. There is an A, yeah. Oh. Yeah, there's 1 A. So we have the second letter is an A, and the fourth letter an E. Okay, Dylan, next letter.
Icus.
Could you say that again, please?
Icus.
I didn't understand that right.
X.
Oh, an X. No X, I'm afraid. Okay, but you still have several tries. Okay, so let's see, berry. I hope you can see it okay.
I.
We already had an I, so you can try again. There is no I in the word, but someone already asked for that, so go ahead,
C.
try again. A C, very good, yes. That is actually the first letter. So now you know that the word begins with a C. C-A. Okay, Bruce.
S.
An S? No, I'm afraid there's no S. Okay. And Dylan, what do you think?
O.
So, an O, very good. And keep in mind, we are looking for a word for a type of books. An O. And the example was cookbooks or travel books. Okay, now think again. Maybe you know this word. I'm sure you know this word. So think again. What could the word be? Barry, do you want to try the next letter?
R.
Yes, very good. There is an R. Okay, you're getting closer. You almost found the word. Very good. Okay. Bruce.
T.
Yep. Okay, I think you got it now. A T, very good. Okay, we need 2 more letters. And we have the first 4 letters. Okay, Ryan.
G.
Sorry, could you say that again?
G.
A G, very good. Yes, a G. Okay, so it's Dylan. Do you want to finish? It's Cada. What's the last letter?
C.
Oh, I mean the last letter of this word.
C.
I'm afraid it's not Z. But maybe Barry. What's the last letter?
N.
An N? No. So let me see. You have almost all the letters. So a type of books is a category. And then we need one last letter. Bruce, let you try.
Category.
Yes, category. So our last letter is Y. Okay? Y. Category. That's right. See? So, very good. So let's repeat together. Category.
Category.
Very good. Yes, very good. Category. Okay, then let's try another word. What do you call the writer of a book? Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Okay, so it's question number 4. And again, so remember, we are starting a new word, so it makes sense to ask for vowels first. Okay, so Ryan, please
先猜
start.
先猜母音呐、因为每个字都会有母音 vowel。
O.
O. Yes, there is an O in this word. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, Dylan.
U.
A U. Yes, there is a U. Very good. Okay. Okay, berry.
E.
An E. No, I'm afraid there is no E in this one. Okay, Bruce.
I.
An I. There is no I either, but there is still one vowel that you haven't tried, okay? Ryan.
B.
A B? No. No, there's no B in here, but try to remember the vowels. So now we had, you said O, U, I, and E. What's the last vowel? Dylan, do you know?
A.
Yes, an A. Very good. Okay, because that is actually our first letter. Okay, so maybe this helps you a little bit. Okay, berry. We
T.
tried. Very good. Yes, a T. We tried all the vowels now, so now we have to try the other letters, and there is a T. Very good. Okay, Bruce.
H.
Very good. An H. Yeah. So you almost have it already. Okay, we have an author, and then we're looking for the last letter. Okay, Ryan. Do you know the last letter?
L.
An R. Yes, very good. Okay. Guess this one too, very quickly. An author. So what do you call the writer of a book? That's an author. Very good. Let's repeat together. Author.
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 Very good. Okay, I think we'll stop here and save some more words for our next class. And I will start to share my screen again. But very good, you guys were really good today, very fast. Okay, so let me see to find my presentation again. Okay, so let's repeat quickly some of the words that we already learned. And then we will learn new words today and read the whole text today in class, okay? So we are very ambitious today. Okay, so do you remember a bookshelf? Please repeat, a bookshelf.
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 So this is here, this is the furniture. Okay, then we have a book title.
Book title.
Very good. Book title is the name of the book. All right, we also have a book topic.
Book topic.
So here you can see this topic would be traveling in Mexico. That's the topic of this book. Okay, then we have a book category.
Book category.
Yes, very good. Okay, a book category. That means, for example, let's do it that way. Cookbooks, that is one category. But you have different kinds of cookbooks. You have cooking meat, cooking noodles, cooking fish. So they're all cookbooks. They are all about cooking, but they have different topics, okay? So one is cooking meat, one is cooking vegetables or fish, but all are cookbooks. That's a category. Okay. We also learned database.
Database.
Very good. Now, to make this a bit clearer, I looked for something in a real database for you, okay? So this is the picture of a real database of a library in the USA. Okay, so I searched for, so I typed in the computer Harry Potter. And then here you can see, you can add what kind of book you are looking for. So here I clicked book instead of ebook or maybe a video. And then here you can see this is the picture of the book that you can rent or borrow. This is the title of the book. Okay, this is the author, so the person who wrote this book. And then here you can see that if you look for Harry Potter in this database, you will get 193 results, meaning 193 different books. Okay? And this book was actually already borrowed by somebody else. Okay, so I couldn't rent this book. I couldn't borrow it. Somebody else still has this book. This is just, I hope it makes it a bit easier to understand database. Okay, so every library has something a little bit that looks a little bit like this, okay, where you can look for books. Okay. All right, so these were our old words, and now we're going to learn some new ones. Okay, so we have some new words that have something to do with time. And one of these new words is instance. Okay, I'll say it once more, and then you can repeat. Instance.
Instant.
Very good. And instance is a very, very short moment, so very little time, okay? It's very fast. An instance, a very short time. Okay, a while, I'll repeat it once more. A while.
A while.
while,
Very good. It is a bit longer than instance, but it's not defined. So, for example, a while can be 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. Sometimes it can even be longer. It depends on the person who says it, okay? So it is not defined. We don't know how long a while is, okay? So the term for a while, it just means for some time. We don't know how long. Okay, so repeat after me. For a while.
For a while.
Very good. For a while. Okay. Now, I'm sure you guys know what too late means. Okay, if you are too late, the opposite is to be on time. Okay, so you're not too late, you are on time. Okay, so please repeat, on time.
On time.
Very good. It means to be punctual. Okay, punctual is the same as being on time. Okay, now, Barry, could you please read this sentence for us? Here on the right.
If a book is overdue, it means the book is returned too late.
Thank you. Yes, so overdue means that the book is returned too late. The time that the book was supposed to be back has already passed, okay? So you are bringing the book back too late, and then it's overdue. Okay, so please repeat after me. Overdue.
Overdue.
Very good. Okay. Okay, so here we have this example again. Maybe Ryan, could you read this for us, please?
if a book is overdue, you will have to pay a fee to the library.
Thank you, Ryan. Yes. So here, if a book is overdue, let's see, you were supposed, here on this day, you were supposed to bring the book back, but you didn't. Then, because you brought it back maybe here on this day, then you have to pay a fee. So money, you have to pay a fee to the librarian. Okay. All right. Okay, then we also have a new word, and it's to research. So please repeat after me. To research.
To research.
Very good. To research. You can see that we have another word here in this word, and it is search, to search for something. So the difference is to research. It just means to look for new information. And you can do that in very different ways. You can do research here. and do experiments maybe here in a lab. So you can see can be very scientific, or you can research something and look for something in a book. To research, it can also mean you are studying and you are doing some research for homework. So you are looking for new information for your homework. Or you can do research in the internet. Okay, so this is that picture. So different ways of doing research. And to help you remember this word, just always remember there is search in this word, okay? So it has something to do with searching for something. Okay. Okay. All right. We also talked about the word to alphabetize. Okay, so let's repeat it first together. To alphabetize.
To
To
alphabetize.
I will say it once more and you can repeat once more. To alphabetize.
To alphabetize.
Very good, yes. To alphabetize. So you can see this word also has a different word in it, the alphabet, right? Oh, I'm sorry. The alphabet, and you can see the alphabet here on the left. Okay, so you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, that's the alphabet. Now, if you alphabetize something, you can see this on the right. It means you put the books in an alphabetical order. Okay, let me explain. Here, for example, you will see all books that start with C, with the letter C. Okay, here, for example, there will be all the books that start with the letter G. Here, all the books will start with the letter K. Okay, that means to alphabetize. And I put another way of saying the same thing underneath. To organize alphabetically. Okay, that's very long. It's just for you to understand it means the same. Okay, so to alphabetize means the same as to organize alphabetically. Okay, just for you to kind of keep in mind. Okay. All right. Now, to explain organized, okay, if you organize something, you put it in a nice order. Okay, so here on the right, we have the books that are organized alphabetically. So it looks, I think, quite clean, and like you can very easily find a book. You just think, my book starts with, let's say, B. So I just have to go here and look where all the books are that start with a B. But here on the left, I don't think that will help you much. So there is, all these books are not organized. Okay, they are unorganized. So you can see this actually means not Okay, if it's unorganized, it means not organized. Okay, so I hope this gives you an idea of the difference between organized and not organized. Okay. Okay, now these were a lot of words, and I think the easiest way for us to learn them all will be if we go through them and you see the Chinese explanation on the right side with the characters. I think for some words, it's the easiest way for you to learn. So what I would like to do now is for you to first read the Chinese word and then the English translation. Okay, so please always start with the right side and then with the left. And that way I can also learn a little bit of Chinese. So yay, we can both learn. Okay, so let's see. Maybe Bruce, could you please start with the first word?
为了，
先念右边的中文，
不管是
然后再念左边。
为了
Very good. Yes, weather. Okay, let's repeat all together. Weather.
为了
And now please everybody, weather.
Weather.
为了
Very good. Okay. And remember, in English, it's usually whether or. Okay, there's an or also. Okay. Dylan, could you please read the second one?
研究 research
Very good, yes. To research, everybody please.
Research.
research
Very good. Okay, Barry, could you read this one, please? The third one. And please start with the Chinese and then the English translation.
topic
Topic. Very good. Please, everybody. Topic.
topic
Okay. Bruce, could you read the fourth one, please?
放松 relax
Thank you. Okay, everybody, relax.
relax
Ryan, the fifth word, please.
G is to check out.
To check out. Everybody, please.
Check.
out
Out.
check out
Very good. Okay, Dylan, could you please read the sixth word?
浏览 food
Okay, please listen. To browse. Okay, please repeat everybody. To browse.
to browse
brow
Brow.
Very good. Okay. Barry, could you please read the seventh word?
架子 shelves
Shelves. Everybody, please.
shelf
shelf
Shelf.
Very good. Okay, Bruce, the next word, please.
选择 choose
To choose. Everybody.
choose
juice
To choose. Very good. Okay. Ryan, could you please read this word?
16条理 organize.
To organize. Okay, everybody, please.
organize
organize
To organize. Very good. Okay, and this word again. Let's see. Dylan.
种类 category
Very good. Category. Everybody, please.
category,
Okay. Barry, another long one for you.
照字母顺序排列 alphabetical
Please listen carefully. To alphabetize. Okay.
alphabetize
To alphabetize.
alphabetize,
Very good. Okay. Bruce, the next one, please.
作者 author,
Very good. Author.
author,
Okay. Ryan, the next one.
书名 title
A title.
title,
Everybody, please. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Dylan, the next one, please.
特定的 specific
Okay. Listen carefully. Specific. Okay. Specific.
specific,
Yes. Very good. Okay. Barry, the next one.
情况 instance
Instance.
instance,
Very good. Okay. Bruce, the next one.
资料库 database,
Database.
database,
Very good. And there are more words because this was a long chapter, so we have more to learn. Okay. Let's see. Ryan, could you please read this one?
加速 speed up
Very good. To speed up.
to speed up,
us
Very good. Dylan, could you please read the next one?
寻找 search
To search.
to search,
to search
search
Bruce. Let's see this one.
找出 locate,
To locate.
to locate,
to
to locate
And Barry, I skipped you. Sorry. Then the next one, you please.
到期的
一段时间呢，
一段时间 for a while
Yeah. Very good. Okay, everybody, please. For a while.
for a
for
while
a while,
for
Okay, very good. Let's see. Ryan, could you please read this one?
简单的 simple
Simply.
simply,
simple
simply
Very good. Okay, Dylan, could you read the next one, please?
图书馆员 librarian
The librarian. Please repeat. Librarian.
librarian,
Okay. Barry, could you read the next one?
扫描 scan
Everybody, to scan.
To scan.
to scan,
scan
Okay, Bruce.
记录 record,
A record.
record,
record
record,
Very good. Yes, record. Okay, we're almost there. Ryan, the next one, please.
到期的 due
Do. Okay, everybody, do.
do,
due
You.
Very good. Okay. Dylan.
Survey. Check.
To charge. Okay, everybody, to charge.
To
To
check.
charge.
To check.
Very good. Okay, and then Barry.
Fee.
Everybody, fee.
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 Very good. Okay, Bruce.
过期的 overdue.
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 Everybody, please.
Overdue.
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 Very good. Overdue. Okay, and then Ryan, the last one.
取消 revoke.
Okay, everybody, revoke.
Revolt.
Revoke.
Very good. Okay. Now I see the time is already very far past actually our learning time. So let me see. I will stop sharing my screen here. So I think we will read our text together in our next class, okay? And I want you to repeat all the new words at home so we can read it in 2 weeks, okay? Because next week I won't be able to come. I'm sorry, 对不起, but I have something else I have to do. But then I will see you in 2 weeks, and you have 2 weeks to learn all the words, okay? So you have a bit more time. Okay. Do you have any questions now about the words or something else?
No.
Yeah.
那个 Teacher Angela,
Yeah.
let me introduce myself.
Oh, please,
Simply
yes.
because we are meet each other first time. So
Yes, that's right.
my name is Jerry. I am an office worker, and I'm working. My job is about chemical factory, and I'm Luke's friend, teacher Luke's friend, and I will be great in to learn. I'm interested in learning English. I'm great to in your class to learn and improve my English. Thank you.
Yeah, oh, you're welcome. It's nice to have you here.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, well, thank you, Jerry. Yes, it was good to meet you. And then, yes, students, so if you don't have any questions, then I will see you in, well, some of you I will actually see tomorrow, but for our class, I will see you again in 2 weeks, okay? Luke will also tell you, I think. All right, then have a good evening, and then I'll see you tomorrow or next week. I mean, 2 weeks, sorry. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.